Welcome back, friends. Today we have such fun Christmas crafts, and we're going to start with this set of clear ornaments from Dollar Tree. They come two for $1.25, which I think it's a great deal. We are also going to use one of these white towels that you can find at the Dollar Tree. You'll find them in the automotive aisle, and I use them all the time, especially for Christmas and winter crafts. We are also going to use orange and black paints. We're going to use a small paintbrush as well as a skewer stick. We're also going to be using pom-poms. These are two of the green, two of the red, and then matching colors of Chanel stems. These are just pipe cleaners. We need two for each color. All right, now we're going to now cut several strips of the towel. You can do these in inch thickness or even in half an inch, whatever you want. And just cut enough to where we can insert them inside of the ornaments. So remove the little top portion of the ornament and place them inside. Just fill them up with the towel. You can use a skewer stick or your fingers to help you get it in there. And I like to put as much as I can fit because I like it to be nice and packed in there. And I did the same thing for the second one. Once both of them are nicely filled, just like this, we're going to place the top portion back on. And I don't know about you, but this is the hardest part of these ornaments. It's so hard to put that thing back on. All right, we're going to place the pom-poms one on each side because we are making little snowman ornaments, but we're giving them some earmuffs. And then we're going to do the green ones on the other ornaments, and we're just going to place in again, one on each side. And then bring in the Chanel stems, and you want to cut them to whatever size you want. I cut mine in about 5 inches long, but again, you do whatever you want. I'm going to use the first one as a guide to cut the second one, and then we're going to hot glue it across one from each other. So hot glue one side, and then bring it across and hot glue the other side. Now that our snowmen have cute little earmuffs, we want to give them some eyes. So we're just going to use a paintbrush and we're just going to paint a couple of eyes using the black paint. And then we're going to use another paintbrush and we are going to give him some carrot noses. And again, you can do this as long, thick, or short as you want. We are then going to take the skewer stick. We're going to do the back end of the skewer stick, so not the pointy side. And we're going to do little dots. And we're going to use the black paint and we're going to give them a smile. And that's about it, my friends. You can change the ribbon to hang them. I thought it didn't need them. I think these are absolutely adorable. I love the little earmuffs. So let me know what you think down in the comments. For this next Christmas craft, we're going to take another one of those small ornaments. We're just going to need one this time, unless you want to make two. We're going to use some googly eyes, a brown Chanel stem. We're going to be using a paper bag. This one was the leftover from another project. We're going to use a red pom-pom. We're going to use my scissors, the hot glue, and we're also going to be using ribbon. I'm going to choose brown, but you can choose black, red, or white. Whatever you have on hand is fine. First thing we want to do is cut off the bottom portion of the paper bag and then cut the bag in strips. Similar to the previous project, we are going to stuff the ornament, but instead of the towel, we're going to use the paper bag. So we're just going to again remove the top portion of the ornament and then start stuffing the ornament with as many little paper strips as you can. And again, we want to place the little top portion back on as best as you can. And then we are going to take the brown ribbon and we're just going to thread it through and knot it at the top. That way we can hang this ornament from it. All right, so now we're going to take the Chanel stem and we're going to put it halfway through. We're going to wrap it around the top portion of the ornament and then twist it. And these are going to be the antlers for what will be a Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer ornament. Then we are going to zigzag the ends or the remaining parts of it. Give them that antler look. We're going to place the red pom-pom right there in the center with some hot glue and then the googly eyes. I wanted the nose and the eyes to be on the larger side. It gives it that nice, cute look, but you can use whatever size you want, and I think this one's absolutely adorable. My daughter kept this one. Actually, my kids always get my ornaments or my crafts. They have their trees in their rooms, but I think it's beautiful. What do you think? Let me know. For this next Christmas craft, we're going to take this jar-like ornament, and we are going to also use a bottom leftover portion of a bottle brush tree from Dollar Tree. This little guy who belongs to a village, like a Christmas village set from Dollar Tree, a little tiny white bottle brush tree, and some faux snow. We're also going to use ribbon, our scissors, and also, of course, some glue. I always use hot glue, but you can use whatever you want. All right, we're going to remove the bottom portion of it. And we're going to take that bottom portion of the bottle brush tree and we're going to hot glue it right there. We want to create an elevation so that we can add items to it. And then, of course, you want to make sure you still have enough room on the side so that we can screw in the top back on it. All right, we're going to hot glue the little guy here. We're going to try to make it as much close to the edge as possible because we want to leave room for a little tree. I remove the bottom portion, including the stem, and I'm going to hot glue them right there next to him. Then I'm going to trim off some of the excess bristles. That way it's not going to get in the way of me putting in the top. We're going to take the ribbon, cut off a piece. We're going to thread it through the top and then knot it. I am not going to take the faux snow and I'm just going to put some inside the container. Now this is where I went a little too far. Trust me, you do not need a lot. And you're going to see, I place 3 little handfuls, I guess. And then I'm going to place the portion right back on top and then flip it. And the guy was like buried in snow. You can barely see him or the tree. So I open it back up. I did remove some of it. So maybe just keep adding a little bit by little. And it's okay. I guess you can always remove. But I think it's adorable. I made one of these in my other channel, DIY Beauty on Purpose. And I love the way it turned out. I wanted to make one for this channel. But let me know what you think of this one. I have another video here for you with tons more of Dollar Tree Christmas crafts inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.